Welcome and let's talk about Terra Classic. Now, what is the expectation for this coin in 2023? 2022 is already over and we all saw Terra Classic crashed in 2022. Terra Classic dropped and recently a lot of people have been having interest on Terra Classic, especially Binance founder CZ. Now, in 2023, can we see Terra Classic hit over 10,000 to 100,000% or more? Terra Classic is currently trading at 0.000 with 3 zeros. Now in 2023, of course, even Binance have been showing a lot of support, and I believe 2023 Binance will be showing more support on Terra Classic. Now this coin is expected to hit 1 penny in 2023, hitting 1 cent in 2023. So many crypto experts believe that Terra Classic is going to reach that level, considering that the number of supply they have is just about 6 trillion coins. So burning out that number will be easier for Terra Classic than other crypto coins. You know, Terra Classic need to burn at least 90 to 95% of its supply. So the 1.2% tax burn will also contribute to helping Terra Classic burning out the supply they have. Now 2023, once the burning increases, and Terra Classic is definitely going to pump. Well, to me, I think 10,000% is not really bad. Deleting 2 zeros in 2023, of course, hitting 1 cent, I believe it is possible for Terra Classic to reach such number. But we all need to know that Terra Classic still need to get that supply. They need to destroy the supply they have. They need to focus on burning a lot in 2023, because even though this 2022, the 1.2% tax burn did not really burn much. So I want to see Terra Classic destroying at least half of its supply. If they can burn 3 trillion coins or 4 trillion coins in 2023, then we might be seeing Terra Classic hitting 1 cent in 2023. 10,000 to 100,000% is possible, and let's hope to see Terra Classic become one of the biggest coins in 2023, just like they did in 2022. Because 2022 Terra Classic is one of the biggest coin of this year. Coin people have been searching about. People, in fact, Terra Classic dominated cryptocurrency this year. So I believe next year, I believe this 2023 Terra Classic is going to really hit a massive increase in price. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.